Many educators tell students they shouldn't use Wikipedia because it's full of mistakes and anybody can edit a page. If that's the case, then why, in our observations of professional fact-checkers, was Wikipedia one of the first sites they often consulted? It's true that there are mistakes in Wikipedia. A 2005 study from Nature found that the typical Wikipedia science article had 4 mistakes. But the same study found that the typical Encyclopedia Britannica entry contained 3 mistakes. In contrast to a print encyclopedia, Wikipedia allows for changes to be made almost immediately and for information to be kept current. And it's not true that anyone can edit any Wikipedia page. Many of the most viewed entries are locked, which means that only high-level Wikipedians can change them. To tell students not to use Wikipedia is to deprive them of one of the most useful tools on the internet. Instead of teaching them to avoid it, we should be teaching students how to use Wikipedia wisely. When fact-checkers go to Wikipedia, they scan the body of an article, but what they are really looking for is the goldmine of sources at the end of the article. For example, the American College of Pediatricians has an official-sounding name and logo. It's easy to think that it's the main organization of pediatricians in the country. But even a quick scan of Wikipedia shows that not to be the case. But the real evidence comes at the bottom, in the references Wikipedia requires in substantiating a claim. In a matter of seconds, students can find in these references a letter from Francis S. Collins, the head of the National Institute of Health, condemning this small group for misrepresenting his research findings. This brings the trustworthiness of the American College of Pediatricians into question. And fact-checkers don't just examine one source, they look at multiple sources. Used properly, Wikipedia is an invaluable resource, especially as a launching pad for evaluating online information. We need to teach students how to use it wisely.